I hold them sentiments symbolic. Oh, my temperament bipolar, choose violence. Hey, let's get it up. It's time for him to prove that he's a problem. Niggas clicking up, but they not feeling kick no 40 water. Tell him, yeah, get up with me, fuck. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we are back in the trenches. I've had a rough trading day today. Part of it was having so much going on that I couldn't focus. Another part of it was just being. I've been questioning my entries lately. I've been in the trading space for a month now, and basically, I'm not going to waste no time. I'm just going to jump right in. The only thing that makes you good at trading is trading. And I've watched every video I can watch over and over and over, and nothing's going to make a trade like a trade. So let's jump on in here. Um, Let me make sure I got the screen set up right. We are going to use the big screen since I don't have enough followers to have people wanting to conversate with me. So let's jump on in. We're using Axiom. The first thing that I usually do, and that a person that's new is educated to do, is go to the Discover screen and go to the 1 or 5 minute um, time to see kind of what type of uh, coins have kind of been trending. They tell you to go to Dex screen in 5 minutes, but I never get anything over here. So yeah, for me, that doesn't give me anything. The second thing I'm going to do is just go over here. I don't know why I do this. You make a little bit of change rewards from trading. So I just always go over there and empty. It's never enough to really, be a big thing. But whatever the case is, that's that on that. Let's jump on over into the trenches. What they tend to call the trenches is this pulse button here. I really need to be up watching somebody else trade live as well. They always say never trade alone. So our goal is 1750 market cap or higher, and enough trading volume to see, some good rhythm in the candles. Also, I'm hoping to be as close to 10,000 volume as I can be for a 5 minute. I usually go over here and see if there's something that I missed that may have some volume or momentum that I can get into. Some just go crazy here, some not so much. Let's first of all go over and look at TikTok and see what this one is about. Ooh. So I guess this is a new dev coming on the scene. So he say he's trying it out, trying to dev. So let's jump over here. No, I didn't show you guys. Who is this? Sniper Soul. Oh damn! I don't think I've ever seen. Oh, maybe that's the name of the person. Okay. So Dex is paid on this one. Has it migrated? Obviously so, duh, because that's where I saw it at. I have a very small amount of Solana in this wallet. We are going to trade uh at 2.5. I am going to be trading with stops. I have a 10%, 20%. Obviously, I have a small port. So with this small port, um, yeah, we're going to try to build it up some and then go to higher. You really don't make money when you trade with small amounts of money, and you really can't get any volume, but this is what I have and this is what we're doing. So this is 27 minutes. It's at 22. What's this about? That is interesting. Let's jump in. I do see global fees being paid at a small amount. We're going to jump in at 1.5. Now, I did not look down here, bundles, but I do have filters in place that will hopefully keep me from being over bundled. Um, okay, it's growing. This dev has 3 migrated coins, so that's good. So let's just see where we go with this. Now, I don't know how the hell I got way down there. That's one of the issues that I was angry about when it came to my trades is when I would jump in, um, where I hit the button and where it actually brought me in was such a difference. Like right here is where it brought me in, but at 26.9, how the hell did I get way down here at 24? Like, what the fuck? So the further you are away, I mean, just the harder it makes things. So mm. I really always need to be trading at least two. I mean, let's be honest, like it just would make it easier. So we're there. These are my stops. My screen is small, y'all, so I just got what I got. I mean, I wish I could make this bigger, like move this over, but I really can't. I'm at 8,000 momentum, so I should be moving better. Let's look at the sales. Oh, I had a little momentum there because I had some sales come on. Whoever sniper is sold. Those are my two sales. I'm up 13. Now, as I go up, I want to put myself in position to protect my entry. All that does is if the coin starts going down, basically I won't lose any money. Once I came in at 27K. When it gets to 32, I'll pull it up a little bit more, basically. Is what I'll do to just try to protect my entry. Let's go over here and see. Shit, we barely got enough to buy anything. See, this is the problem that I have coming in and losing. Like I'll trade, I'll come in, I'll be losing for a while, then I come back and then I'll do, start making some money. Like I gotta close that curve up. I'm 30 days in trading. I feel like I should be doing better. Let's go see if there's something else out here. This looks suspect because number one, not many global fees are being paid with this. I'm down 7%. You see how these things be jumping? Oh shit, I'm finna stop loss. I was just right there. I don't know why I didn't do it. I should already be out because I'm not trying to lose a lot of money. I ain't got a lot to lose. If it hits 10%, I'm gonna go ahead and close the trade out. Hopefully it'll turn around before then. Let's look at what the sales looking like. Yep, that ain't looking good. Let's go ahead and get back over here. I'm still 7% down. Look like it's turning around, but here. Yeah, that don't look real. I say that because of how this look. That looks like a rug pull. No global fees are really being paid. If you look over here, uh, I mean, this don't look crazy, but it's like, yeah, I ain't feeling that one. I don't know. So that's that on that. Let's look at Zigga. Oh shit, that's what I'm in. Still at 7 under. Okay, let's go over here to Norwood. That's a good looking. That looks good. Now that would be a good entry point. Global fees are being paid. Let's go and look down here. Insiders are pretty high, but we're at a high market cap. Same with top traders. Let's see what this is about. The line is getting extremely bad for his. I don't know why they calling him the Norwood line, but hey, let's see how many. We got 179 people in here. The latest thing that has been said about him was an hour ago. So we have over 10,000 volume in 5 minutes, and it's increasing. A decent number of holders. Let's go look down here. Um, Look at have their Solana balance is different. The trades look different. Whoever funded looks different. Look like they're bundled or anything. But um, while we've been looking, our sales. Let's see, 8K. We got more buys coming in sales, but looking at the chart, this is not a good time to come in. Actually, more 243 down this way would be good, but I mean, obviously, you still need. I mean, the buys sales. This is my experience. Now, if there are any more experienced traders watching this, definitely let me know what you feel. Um, what I got going on here. Seem like the volume going. It seems like it's actually going up, but maybe the sales volume is creeping up. Yep, sales are more than the buys right now. So we're gonna go and look at something else. Let's look at Zoe. Inflated balloon. I don't see it. He's cute. 22 minutes. Anything that I'm interested in, I always try to go over and hit like and do and like it and whatnot. Yeah, we're gonna try this one. I'm sitting over here looking like that shit don't look right. Ziki is still at -7. Zoe we got at 1.84. Same thing happens when I come in, my stops are automatically put in place. Now I'm gonna turn off all of that because if I do make any other buying decisions or like if it starts to go low or if I buy more, add more, whatever, um, what am I at 1.49 and we're on zone. Um, I don't want those stop losses to be pasted again. So now this is all. See, this is what I don't like. I be feeling like I get in when it starts to look good. What is this SS? Is that a sale? Yeah, I have not seen this SS thing here before. So this is my first trade seeing that. So it's just making me like, what in the hell is going on? This is where both of my trades are sitting, which is pissing me off. I try to have at least point 0.2 Solana in every trade. I didn't have it in the first. I only went in at 0.15. So I just added 0.05 when it drew back a little bit. So I did that. So I'm just sitting here looking crazy, waiting on these to do something for the kid. Now right here you see that my stop loss gave me uh, a little bit of profit. Like I said, I have one at 10% up, 20% up. Now this Zoe is dropping. I feel like I came in at a good market cap, so we're at 16 now, and I'm down 14. So I came in at a decent market cap up here, but I ended up down where it actually put me in down here. Like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm still learning. Have to show me some grace there, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and close that other one. I don't have a lot of Solana to be playing with. This one is really not doing anything, so what we're gonna do is just go. I did lose a little money, but I mean, I ain't gonna make it with my money sitting stagnant. So I'm just hoping that I won't go down too far here and lose um, too much money. Hopefully, it'll turn back around the momentum of the trade. Okay, so let's go back over here and see if there's anything worth looking at. 17.5. Damn. When I say this thing, look at all them damn people in there. Shit. Let's go over here and look and see. It says it's 10% bundled and over 10% and 29% of top traders in there. We're only at 16.9. We got one. Maybe these tweet. What's the tweet say? Wait, what the fuck? This big ass guy. They say all his stuff has went 3 mil. Hmm. Hmm. We gonna try. Hmm. Global fees. Let me do a little bit. I looked down here, I think already, but we gonna look again. Okay, let's look at this trade we're in. We're down 5%. So hopefully it'll give us some momentum. Because, yeah, I can't afford to just have money sitting because I'm not uh, papered up that much. The only bad thing about this is the momentum is not 10,000. Maybe I'm getting some buys. I went ahead and took the plunge. It ain't no fear of missing out type of thing, but at the same time, uh, yeah, I want to make sure this should do something good, but I don't have a lot of room to lose money. Come on now. That's 6,000. volume. Duck is 6K volume. This one is 4.8. I may have to move a little grid over there. I'm gonna move 25 bucks into my trading account, y'all, because I need to have some room to make some moves. Come on now, Duck. Okay, somebody just put a lot of money into the Duck one, so I just had two of my stop losses hit. I mean, take profits, which is a good thing for us. And we're now up 28.5% on it, so that's decent. We have 0.09 remaining, which like I said, I got to build my money back up before I can really do anything. So, that's not a lot of money is my point. Let's see. So we're going to try to protect some of our loss. As the price goes up, I'm going to move my stop loss up. It's just something that I do to try to protect whatever I earn. Here we are, gonna lose profit already. With my situation, I really should have went ahead and jumped out of that just because I'm trying to build my portfolio right now, more so than anything else. Hmm. Yeah, if I start to lose and go under 15% profit, I'm just going to close it out just because I need to protect my profit. I need to get this account back up to at least one Solana. So I closed it out at 14% profit. So let's go over here to this one. Now, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and clean up my screens, close up some of these windows that I have open, and then anything I'm not using, I'm closing it up. Oh, crap. Hold on, y'all. So I'm gonna level up a little bit. on my bread. Let me see. Copy address. To send it to the backup wallet. Okay. Y'all, I am taking my USDC that I have in this wallet and I'm turning it into Solana so that I can put my backup wallet on here. Now, I'm going to go to my main screen because I need to do some homework, or should I say, I need to do some something in here, and I don't need my numbers to be publicized. So what I'm doing right now is adding this wallet to my account here on Axiom, importing the wallet, and to import the wallet, you have to put in a key. So I need the key to be in here. So it'll just take me a little minute. Don't worry. I don't even know if anybody's watching this, but wait a minute. I could have swore I just made it. Hold on, y'all. I thought I already swapped now. Swapping USDT to Solana. Okay, I'm gonna get pissed off because where the hell is my shit at? Okay, it's there now. I was gonna say, like, what the fuck? I know I'm talking to myself and sound crazy, y'all. My bad, my bad. Mm, okay. When you don't do stuff a lot, it take you a while to do everything. So I'm trying to find my code. This is taking forever because I can't find the code. I hate I'm doing this online. So Lana. This is a backup wallet. Okay, I finally got it. Yeah, that was intense. Okay, so I'm moving my okay. So now we finna go back over here and see what we got going on. Ah, just to be safe, let me go ahead and change this. I'm trying to see which wallets are which. Okay. Alrighty, we're there. Let's see what bombs over Israeli bombs. That's the name of this token. We still got them snipers sniping. Now I want to put a little bit more money. Let me look at my damn. I'm gonna turn on pump. I'm gonna turn on bonk, bags, and liquid. Now something supposed to be going on bonk. I'm almost scared to put it on there, but we gonna leave you on there, bonk. But just don't damn do us wrong. Okay, we are looking at pairs that are up to we'll say 10 minutes. I don't care about the pro traders now. I'm gonna make this 3,500 market cap. We're gonna turn this off. And we're gonna make it 10 buys because if it's brand new, it's probably not doing a whole lot. So we're gonna go over here. And yes, I could have just hit the button, but I didn't. So we got show only pump off chain. Bonk. Heaven, Sugar, Believe. I don't even know why that one's on. I don't think that was one of the ones I should have on. Bunkers, Liquid, and Moonshine. We're going to take Moon Liquid off because I'm not sure about that. We're going to go over here and we're going to go up to at least 30 minutes. We're at 65 market cap. Yes, we do want to see some transactions as well as global fees paid. And then at least I'm in the, yeah. Let's go over here. And we're gonna go backwards. We're gonna have at least one social migrate. Okay. Metrics. I'm gonna do 1750. 17,500 as far as minimum market cap. Fees paid, I'm gonna say 2 Solana. I want at least 100 transactions, being that we would have been as far as already migrated. Now I put Dex paid. Quite frankly, I don't. Yeah, we want Dex paid. Holders, I ain't even worried about that. That's something that we. Nah, hell no. I don't care how many. Oh, yes, I do. No more than 35 bundles, 2 pro traders. Um, I'm gonna give it 8 hours though. No, I'm gonna say 6 hours. The only way it's over here is if it's already damn. Okay. So I've updated my let me update this too. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, being that I'm a somewhat new trader, I don't understand slippage as much as I should. Let's go look that up. Slippage in crypto's a difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual price occurring during high or low volatility. It causes a cost reduction. Let's look at this video. They said this is going to explain.
Slippage is an unavoidable part of trading, but for crypto traders, it can be particularly frustrating. Whether trading on a centralized or a decentralized exchange, slippage can impact execution prices, leading to unexpected losses. In today's video, we will explain what slippage is and how you can avoid it. Slippage occurs when market movements or delays in order execution cause the final trade price to differ from the expected price. Slippage can be either positive, meaning a better execution price than expected, or negative, where the execution price is worse, though the term usually refers to negative slippage. The two main causes of slippage are high market volatility and low liquidity. High market volatility is often triggered by news events or economic data releases, such as regarding interest rates, employment, or inflation, which can cause unpredictable price swings. Liquidity issues, on the other hand, can arise during periods of low market activity, such as weekends in the crypto market, where fewer buy and sell orders are available. Both of these can cause the execution price to shift unexpectedly. On centralized exchanges, which rely on an order book to match buy and sell orders, slippage is common when using market orders. These orders execute instantly at the best available price, but don't guarantee a fixed one. If the bid-ask spread, that is, the difference between the buying and selling price, shifts before execution due to low liquidity, large order sizes, or high volatility, traders may receive a worse executed price than expected. To avoid slippage on sexes, traders can use limit orders instead of market orders to ensure execution at a specific price or better. However, they risk being unfilled in volatile markets, even if the price briefly touches the specified level. Therefore, it'd be wise to avoid trading during times where volatility is expected to be high, such as during major news events or economic data releases. Additionally, breaking large orders into smaller ones can prevent significant price jumps and reduce the overall impact on execution prices. On the other hand, decentralized exchanges use automated market makers, AMMs, which rely on liquidity pools rather than traditional order books. Slippage on DEXs happens due to liquidity pool depth, delayed execution, and front-running. If a pool lacks sufficient liquidity, even small trades can impact price significantly. Since transactions must be processed on-chain, price movements during confirmation can lead to slippage. Bots may also detect pending transactions and execute ahead of them, worsening slippage. To avoid slippage on DEXs, traders can set a slippage tolerance to specify the maximum acceptable slippage percentage. Trading in high liquidity pools, where popular pairs tend to have lower slippage, can also help. Additionally, adjusting gas fees by paying higher fees can speed up transaction confirmation and reduce execution delay. Another option is to use Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum or Optimism, which offer lower slippage due to faster transactions and lower costs. So while slippage is unavoidable, these strategies can help you minimize its impact. If you'd like to learn more, be sure to check out our video explaining liquidity and how it works in crypto.
It didn't really give me the information I wanted, guys. I wanted to understand when it comes to slippage. Slippage is when the price of another execution price what you expected due to price. That's what I need to know. Depends on trade. If your slippage is too low, small prices can cause. Okay, so I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over to YouTube and I'm gonna look up some of the people that uh this is 4 minutes and see what the best slippage is. That don't even look right. Let's see what else we got. Hmm. I'm really not seeing. Now I was already in Norwood. Didn't it eat me up earlier, or did I never make it in there? Yeah, I don't think I ever made it in. Hmm. So they say when you're trying to learn to trade, the only thing that's going to teach you is trading. So that's what we're working on. I really don't see anything. I have adjusted all of my filters and done what I felt like would, make things look good. Now, I was on Winston earlier, y'all. Yeah, though. So it would make no sense to jump back in there. Let me take this out from up there. Win-win. Here because I follow them over on um TikTok. What should my SLI be?
Adjust settings for volume and test low presets for success.
The higher amounts of SOL you do trade with, you're going to have to increase these settings. Let's see. I don't think anything will be moving right now as it's 7 a.m. But let's say this had a lot of volume coming in. Let's say it was like 100K 5-minute volume up here. I would then put my presets around here, 20% slippage, 20 to 25 is usually good. And then you can have these set at 0.001. Sometimes I go to 0.005, depending on how high volume goes. Sometimes even it's middle of the road volume, could do triple zeros and hit that 0.8. But you want to have your presets set pretty low and test these out and see what works for you too. These are just what I have been using with that 0.1, and it has worked pretty well on Axiom just because trades go through right away.
Optimize your trade.
And that's what I wanted to know. So we're gonna go on over here. 0.002. We're gonna make it one. It's still way better. Zero, and then we're gonna make the 2 zeros. We're gonna leave the bribe where it is. We're gonna make this 25, and let's see if this makes it better where I land after I purchase the trade. I mean the whatever I'm buying. Okay, let's look at this one. Red is in. Zan is in. Let's go and look at bundled. It's pretty freaking bundled. Got 154 holders. Let's look. Yeah, it is bundled. Let's see how much this person is holding. Ooh, 17%. That's not good for the simple fact of where it's. Yeah, we're only at 20. And if they got 17%, if they sell that bundle, they kill us. So let's keep it on moving. Okay, let's see. Pin tricks. Ping tricks. Hmm, Okay, we're at 46. Major buying pressure. Bundles don't look horrible. 221 buyers. Decent money in here. This is a sniper with a large amount of money. Let's see what these bundles look like. Now, I don't know if everybody checks this, but I do. As I've been learning to trade, that's just one of the things that I've gotten the habit of checking. Good volume, 5 minute volume, sales versus buys. Mm, not looking the best, and that's what that is exuding right there. A sniper just popped and killed the whole thing, so it went down. Which you got to do your due diligence. Otherwise, you get screwed like that. If I would have just jumped in it, lose my money. So meme strategy. I really don't believe that, but people are buying in. The fact that they're trying to use social media in conjunction with a war to me is diabolical, but whatever. Okay. I'm going to go in with 0.25 on this, guys. Let's go to our position. I'm down 20% on this coin. Oh, so clearly it's volatile. But red, I was going to say something else, but I mean, it is what it is. Like, did you have to sell right then? But this is the ropes. Damn, we down 32%. Oh shit. I did not put my stop losses in place. It went up and gave me a volume sale, a take profit sale, and then it popped right back down. So hopefully, it'll keep going. I like the speed that you can make money with a volatility of 30,000 plus like this, but um, the faster you can make it, in which you can lose it. So let's go down here and move this little buddy up. Once I get, a decent, um, once I get a decent percentage above my purchase price, I try to move it up some. How far up am I? Most people, once they go up to about 20%, they'll move their stop loss up to the current average cost basis area to protect all the profit that they have. But when you got just in the little 30 days I've been trading, I just have noticed that when you have a situation to where you got this much volume, like that thing can go up or down very fast. I don't want to lose money, but at the same time, I want to give um, it the opportunity to do what it's gonna do. I forget the sales. Somebody brand new just came in and sold, so they up in there somewhere. I was wondering what's going on because wasn't no sales or whatever being made. Come on now, I need you to go up. I'm gonna go ahead and take my profit here. And the reason I'm gonna do that is because I don't have enough Solana to really be sitting long. I don't know. Look what happened as soon as I sold. I maybe should have stayed a little bit, um, because this is probably going to be a runner since it's talking about the White House. But we'll see. The meme house in Washington. Mm. So these two are Vamp coins. The one that came in second seems to be getting the better. Uh, oh, it's the same guy. I probably should have kept my ass in that other coin for a little while. It's already over here. I keep saying, oh, wait. I went back in, y'all. I went back in, so my limit orders are placed. I went in right at 60. Now I hit it at 59, but they gave me 62.3. Like that to me is some bullshit. If I hit it at 50, but it could have actually moved that quick. We still got a lot of volume, 20,000 in volume. We are up, so that's good. Um my stops and everything are in place. I forgot when you go into a coin that you've already been in, the overall profit and loss is based on the total sales. So it says I bought 0.44 and I've sold 0.35, but I don't even know what I just came in at, but I am holding a small amount. So it must have already given me a take profit sale because the money that I went in with was 0.25, and that's not what I'm seeing. So we just have to see. Oh, that's a ugly. And it's gonna hit my stop. I feel like it'll go, so that's why I don't want to let it hit just yet. I'm hoping that we get some sales coming through to pull us out of this ugly red candle. Ooh, I don't see them though. Ooh, ooh. I'm 20% down, but it's only showing that I just went red because I had already made money with this one. Come on now. We need some buyers. Baby, people are buying 79 cents, 27 cents. Like, what the fuck are you doing? 9 cents? Really, bitch? Like, that's fucking ridiculous. Yeah, let's get some bread in here. Y'all are killing me. Oh, fuck. I just hit a stop, so I'm finna lose money real big. Yep. Now, why I still got a position is been unbeknownst to me. Maybe it said you can only sell a certain amount at the position. Shit, I'm all the way down to. Mm. You know what? Every time I go back into a coin that I've been in, just don't fucking work for me. Come on, let's see what y'all gonna do. Yeah, these fucking sales are bullshit. Like, are you fucking for real? I'm really feeling some type of way. Like, what kind of bullshit is this? I only got 0.085 remaining. So that's not a lot to lose. I hope everything else left because of, let me see what this fucker was looking. Yeah, I lost $7. Now, the first time I made it out of it, I took the profit because I went back in because I felt like momentum was going. I felt like things were looking good and it was going to run some more. So I went in for that reason. And that's when I lost money. So, damn, this thing's showing everything, showing the royalties, showing, I knew it showed tweets. Let's see what the tweets are talking about over here. Oh, it really ain't. Let's see who Tesla owners SV is. Yeah. So this is, I wonder is this SS the way that they show the dev now, because that bitch is bundled though. It says it's bundled pretty good. 6, 3, 4, 4, 2. Hmm. I'm gonna go here and adjust my settings just a little bit. Um, I'm gonna do thir- 30 for bundles. No more than 30 for bundles. That's what the fuck I need to have. Nobody really puts one on there for that though. Let's go ahead and see what the hell PUA is. PUA is a skill of AI agents. It role plays an AI as a promising P8 level engineer under crushing cooperative expectations. Child, let me take my ass back over here. Let's find something else because I don't know shit about that. Meme tick warfare. Oh no, that's a pretty face. Oh shit, y'all. All this time I didn't realize my screen wasn't showing. I guess I need to check my streaming software more often. Here's another meme house. Whew. We'll see what 10 minutes do on this because I don't want to jump into something else. Hell, the extra money I put on there, which wasn't but about point 0.1 Solana, um, it already looked bad. I don't want to lose it because I really should have just went in there and that wasn't it. It was this one. I went over here to see if things were growing. I'm tired of joining. I don't join so many damn groups just to see that ain't shit going on. But I am gonna go over here and put 0.25. That's all I got, y'all. So fuck. I did it again. Damn. Meme House is doing its thing. It's doing its thing. So I have had some take profit hits, even though I didn't put the stops on until much later. I still had some, so that's good. I have 0.21 left. I'm at 115,000 for the 5 minute volume. Fees look good. Let's see. When you trade with these small amounts, oh well, I done made a little something, something there. Okay, I'm at 0.80. Now this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it there. So if it does start to come back down, I won't lose a bunch of money. I'll lose a little, not a lot, just a little. No, that just pissed me off. That's the one that just ate my ass up. Sebastian, where was you at a minute ago? This is the first time I've recorded being that high. Can we find something else that'll give us that type of love? Shit, ain't nothing else looking like that. Is that? Oh no, that ain't who I thought it was. This one don't look horrible, but it's like, mm, I looked at Wood before, but I could never get a good entry. So that's why I went ahead and went in this and didn't look at anything now. Um, mm. As soon as I get in it, it wants to. I needed to take some more profit and meme coin just to try to do what I needed to do to grow my port. I need to find something else good like that because this mug right here I already really do. I don't want it to sell, but I also don't want to lose everything, y'all. Just keeping it real deal Holyfield. And it's not a lot I would lose. Um, yeah. I need to see if I can find something else good like that other one. Look at that thing. There, boy. Wait a minute. Which one am I in? This one. Why it seem like the second one always do better? Here come another one. They be playing too many games on the weekends. Shit. That ain't good. Oh, maybe it is. I just made a little Norwood bread. Norwood bread. Let's see. That's interesting. Hmm. Mm-mm. Mm. Those global fees tell me that this is not real deal Holyfield. So, based on what I've learned, yeah, we're just gonna get rid of you, Bookie Boo. Let's see what Norwood doing. Honey, let me go and get rid of that thing. Oh, it's bad. You back, Chad. Let's see what you do. Let me see what the damn volume looking like on you. Hell, no. Can I get something good? Nope, there's the dev. So I guess SB really means something dealing with a sniper. It look like they about done over here. I went ahead and sold out a meme house. I didn't have very much left in there and it was losing steam. Hopefully I can catch at least one more nice little run like that. That thing is off the freaking chain. See, every time I get out and get back in, I get pummeled. So we're gonna sit our ass down somewhere. But that was a beautiful little run there, baby. think that's gonna be it for me. I got me a nice little run, made a little money. I did pull my wallet back up to point six. I don't have anything currently open. Oh, I thought I saw that. Well, it says I can't sell it because I don't have it. So, I mean, I don't know what to do about that one. So, let's try this again. Sell. Oh, worked that time. So that's going to conclude our trading day today. Those of you who have been watching, I thank you so very much for checking me out. Uh,
Yeah. Oh, you know I like